Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is AirTech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important for the college students, especially for the engineering and all the technical degrees, as well as for the people who are looking for jobs. Because in this video, we are going to help you understand all of the IT industry perspective and how you can get a good job. Okay, so let me first begin with the engineering colleges and technical colleges. Okay, so there are thousands of engineering colleges in India where millions of students, guys, millions of students study with the hope to get skilled and to find a good job. But unfortunately, what happens is the system is literally broken, and due to the lack of infrastructure and the right learning environment, students are left with little to no choice. Now that is the reason the colleges are not able to offer the different kinds of placements, and the students are on their own in terms of placements and getting a job. This is where the problem is. Okay, so let us discuss a solution for this as well. So a basic question arises that what should the students do in such a case? Okay, to solve this problem, Masai has launched CAP, that is Career Accelerator Program, a course that will help students learn and build a career in programming even before they graduate. Okay, so in 1 year, or that is 3 semesters, the students will learn a variety of topics related to the programming that will help them become competent developers and be capable enough to get a good internship, freelancing opportunities, okay, and have a head start in their careers. Trust me, guys, before joining any of the course, you should always look at the course structure and the syllabus and the topics that they are going to cover in that course. Okay, so let us have a look at that first. For the CAP prep, okay, the course type will be part time and it will be online. Okay, the duration of the course will be 12 months. Okay, and here you will be getting a scholarship and internship opportunity based on your performance. Okay, so here there are 3 semesters all in all. The first semester will be front end development, where you will be taught front end technologies like HTML, JavaScript, and a lot of other things. Okay, they will also be training you for the soft skills as well. Okay, so the soft skills are really necessary when you are giving the interviews, and that is what they are solving over here. Okay, the next point is self-sustainable freelance project training. So they will be giving you training how you can get freelance projects, okay, so that you can start earning itself from the first semester. Okay, in the second semester you will be learning about full stack web development, that is, you will be getting to know more about the backend technology as well. So all in all, you will be learning front end as well as back end. Okay, and then again there will be the soft skills class, and along with that there will be a freelance opportunity as well. Okay, so there will be a mini internship opportunity as well, wherein you can build applications or websites and then you can earn as well. Okay, so talking about the third semester, there will be data structures and algorithms. So all these things are very important when it comes to cracking coding rounds of different companies. Okay, top product based companies for higher packages. So this is what they're going to teach in third semester as well. And as I've already mentioned, soft skills training as well as interview preparation. Because what a lot of things, what happens is you have the right technical knowledge, you know the approach, but you're not able to explain it in the interviews. So that is the reason they are going to focus more on soft skills and interview preparation as well in the third semester. Okay, you also have the group projects, that is very important when it comes to team, like working in teams and all the things. Okay, along with that, placement interview opportunity based on the performance as well. So all these things are included in the 3 semesters. The eligibility criteria is basically 16 to 28 years. So I feel that this is the best for people who are currently in the third year or fourth year of their colleges. Okay, and talking about the fees, okay, let us quickly look at the fees. The total fees is 65,000. Okay, the registration is 5,000 plus the fees is 60,000. Okay, now there are two payment models. What are the payment models? So the first payment model is that registration you pay 5,000 rupees, and the course fees, if you pay upfront, it will be 55,000 and not 60,000. So total you will only have to pay 60,000 rupees. Okay, there is again the second payment model, which is 5,000 registrations plus you can opt for an EMI as well. Okay, the EMI will be 15 months, 4,000 rupees. It will total accumulate to 60,000, and then it will be, along with the registration, it will be 65,000. Okay guys, I hope this is clear. We have a surprise for all our viewers. That is, if you register using the link that is given in the description and you reserve a seat for yourself, you will be getting flat 2,000 rupees discount. Yes, you heard it right, flat 2,000 rupees discount on the registration amount. Okay, that means you only have to pay 3,000 rupees as the registration fee in both payment scenarios, that is payment model 1 as well as payment model 2. So what are you waiting for, guys? Directly go and reserve a seat for yourself. Now comes the interesting part, that is the placement assistance. Okay, so here the outcome is that freelancing opportunities after first semester, internship opportunities after second semester, and placement opportunities, guys, after third semester. So if you are in your final year, this becomes really important for you, because here you will be getting placement opportunities after completing the third semester itself. Okay, they also provide up to 120% scholarship after semester 1 based on your performance. Okay, this means that you can learn and you can earn as well from Prepleaf itself. The next course will start on August 7th, 2023. So what you can do is I will give all the links in the description. You can go and reserve a seat for you, or you can also book a free demo. Okay. Now, Prepleaf has some of the best instructors in the IT industry that will be teaching you. Here you can look at Aman, who is ex-EXL. You have Albert. You have Lohit, who is ex-Microsoft. You have Venugopal, who is ex-EA Sports. Okay. So Ritesh, who is ex-Swiggy. So all these people are from top product-based companies who will be teaching you all these things. Okay. Now, a lot of people might have the same common doubt, that is, what will be the program timings for this Career Accelerator program, and will my college get impacted due to this? So, let me tell you guys that there will be 2 live classes per week, which will be tentatively from 8 to 10 p.m. so that your college will never get impacted. Okay. The second thing is that you will be having 2 doubt solving session per week, that is again tentatively from 8 to 10 p.m. Okay. And one-on-one sessions spread across the whole week. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the links are in the description. You can go and register straight away.